In this video, I'll show you how to clear or delete your watch history on TikTok. This video is only for educational purposes only, so make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Open up your TikTok. If you love to clear and delete your previous watch history, what you need to do, click on this, click on settings and privacy. Scroll down, you're going to be able to see the activity center, so click on it. So this is going to open up, right? From here you can be able to see your watch history is the first option, so click on it. So let's say if you love to clear and delete your watch history here on TikTok, what you need to do, click on this select, click on select or watch history. And if you click on the delete, you're going to be able to delete your watch history here on TikTok. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.